Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the SSAI reporting capabilities of the Pixel 8 Analytics dashboard. These OTT CTV reports are built towards businesses operating in that area, and they face unique obstacles with delivering ad content to viewers, right? Because the videos can be so high quality that maybe they don't buffer in time for the ad break. So they utilize technology called SSAI, server-side ad insertion, which act as intermediaries, load the video, and stream it to the client. So we have to have a lot of trust in these systems for a marketplace to operate, right? So what Pixel 8's dashboard lets you do is see A, how much of the traffic passes through these intermediaries, and B, are they transparent? That is, do you see a client IP on the other side of the connection? Meaning you can assign some sort of probability that actually there is a real user on the other side. So let's dig into that. Just starting from the campaign report, we can add in those SSAI metrics. I'm going to remove some of the IVT metrics and viewability metrics, place them with SSAI, hit apply and wait for that to populate. Okay, so this campaign looks like a good example to use. It has SSAI metrics. Let's filter by it by setting campaign ID equals to this campaign. Make sure to hit enter before you click apply filters such that it turns orange, and once you see that, you're good to go. Hit apply filter. Okay, so we can see for this campaign, of the 12 million tracked ads in the time frame, about 12% of them pass through some sort of intermediary SSAI server. And of those, we can see that they were all transparent, right? Because these match the tracked ads and transparent ads rate. We just add that in there so that I don't have to do the math in my head. Dashboard will do all the work for you. Okay, so let's dig in maybe to the fraud types for this particular campaign. We want to see what's causing issues. So I'm going to add as a dimension fraud type. And I also want to see what's the SOV share of gross tracked ads for a particular fraud type. Hit apply. You can see our new column is loading up. Okay, so for this campaign, we can see that 81% SOV, there's no fraud type set, meaning that's clean traffic. So there is some proxy flagged. The proxy is associated with SSAI activity. We can see that here because the SSAI tracked ads rate for the proxy is very high. So these are the kinds of insights you can get using the SSAI metrics and just adding them into any dashboard report. Now, going even deeper with this report, let's say I want to drill into, well, what are the sources of proxy activity? So I'll take fraud type proxy, and we're going to add another filter. Fraud type equals proxy. Press enter again, make sure it turns orange, and apply the filter. Right, so I'm going to need to add another column to get a bit more granularity out of this, right? So let's see if there's a particular advertiser where the issue is noted. Or no, for this one, let's say creative type. I assume it will be video. Yeah. So that one wasn't useful. Let's find publisher. Okay, still not quite any more granularity here. Just gonna add in a few. Just basically I want to see some separation here and get more than one row back. Okay, great. So we can see that if I look at the site ID, this is a little more specific, right? I can filter down even lower level. All right. right, and this is just an example of another way that by adding dimensions you can get even more granularity in these reports and make them really work for you. Once you found one that you think you want to reproduce, you can always save and schedule that and email it to yourself.